It's a 1952 Studebaker pickup truck. It's been beautifully done, tastefully modified, and upgraded with a 56 Studebaker 289 V8 and 3-speed transmission with overdrive. And it really gets up and goes. This thing is fast. Excellent high quality work, beautiful paint job, nicely done. Pickup bed, high quality build throughout, over a very solid, good truck. Really like what they did here. And modern front disc brakes and air conditioning, which is cold. All right. Here's the Studebaker 289 V8. I ran the number on it, and it is from a 1956 Studebaker President. Runs great, lots of power, really super, and nicely done wiring, harness, new gauges, lots of new stuff, and it all works. Modern air conditioning, which is cold. It's really, reflections on the bottom of the hood. Nice, nice, nice. Rolling along. Gauges are registering nicely. Pressure, good. Looks like we're gonna need some gas here pretty quick. Going into overdrive, you can't hear it, but it does it when you back off the throttle. It's an electric solenoid type of deal. This is the interior of the 52 Studebaker truck. Nicely done, cloth. Studebaker reproduction seat belts, dolphin gauges, vintage air, which does work, it's cold, turn signal unit, that works, glove box, it's really nice, sun visors, nice build. Here's another shot of the V8 engine. Studebaker 289. Runs really great, lots of power. Okay, we're gonna do the AC, so we got our trusty temperature gauge. First we'll hit the dashboard. That's coming up at 84 degrees. 89, wow. 76, 75. Now we're going to hit the air conditioning vents, which is on max high. 56, 58, 61, 58, 57. There's the one over there. 58. And 57, 58 degrees. This Studebaker pickup truck is really nice paint, runs great. It all works, electrically excellent. V8 power, Studebaker V8, lots of power, fun to drive. This is a great truck. High quality work. There's a lot of money been spent on this car, and it shows. Excellent, excellent, excellent. High quality, nice work.